Just signing up to this website, you stand a chance of earning $7 per every Google document you upload on this website. Now you can see that a lot of people have made a lot of money from this website by just uploading documents on the website. Now the best part about what I'm going to be sharing with you now is that you don't need any website. You don't need to make any investment, and you don't need to sell anything to anyone. In case you're wondering, or in case you're worried about making sales, you don't need to bother yourself about that. So what you just have to do is to go to Google and search for Google Doc, and what that has opened, you're going to click this first one, and it's going to take you to this place where you click blank document. Now once this has opened, you're going to leave it free and then go back to the website to create an account. We'll come back to this later. This website, you have a lot of services they offer you, including uploading your documents for storage, and the uploading service is up to 10 gigabytes for each file, because the downloading and watching service is in maximum quality. And the best part, which is the part that brought us to this website, is you can earn money from your files, videos, songs, softwares, photos, drawings, articles, anything at all that you have, you can upload on this website. And as you can see, you can earn up to $7 per 1,000 downloads once you upload. So this is not a get rich quick kind of thing. It's something that you can do on the side to make money online. Now you have to understand that there are different groups here depending on the country where you reside, and there are group A, group B, and group C. Now, if you're in the country where you have the group A, which is United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, you earn up to $6. And if you're in the country where there is group B, that's the United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, $2, and group C is other countries, is $2. So this is the profit you get to earn for your free account. Here are the payment patterns for this website. They can pay you via PayPal, via Perfect Money, Payoneer, many more that are stated on this website. And of course, it has the rules and regulation that comes with it by the time you start uploading whatever you have on this website. The next thing is what you are going to be uploading. Like I showed you here, you can upload anything at all, from videos, songs, software, photos, drawing, articles, and others. Now for the purpose of this video, we're going to be looking for something valuable we can upload, something like a course or an article or anything that we know that will be of value, so that people will see it and be interested and want to click to download once you have uploaded it on the website. So to do that, we are going to be using YouTube, because this is where you'll find free courses that people have done, and we can use it to create our own and upload on this website. That is if you don't have already made digital products that you want to upload. But you can also check out this video on my YouTube channel, where you can find how to use digital products that are already made by people to make money, so that you learn how to use that. So but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using YouTube, like I mentioned. Now this is one of my videos on YouTube, and I'm going to copy the link and use it to show you what I need to show you here. So I'm going to go to where it says share, and I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to go to youtubetranscript.com, click here. I'm going to enter the URL here. It has given me the transcript of everything I said on this video. What I'm going to do now is to copy this transcript and take it to Google Doc. So I'm going to click here where it says copy entire transcript. You're going to do the necessary edits anyhow you want to edit it. This is just for this video, and if you look here, I added the link to the video here so that anybody that wants to understand better, like I said, for better understanding, watch this video. And I put the URL of the video where I got the transcript from, so that anybody that wants to understand better can go to YouTube and watch this video to understand better. Now this is a win-win for both the creator of the video. It's more like giving credit to the person, and you're driving traffic from that website to YouTube for people to watch the video where you got the transcript from. You can go to YouTube and look for any course at all, any free course that has value to offer people. It could be something about video editing like this one. It could be about business, about anything at all that you know that has value to offer to people, and use it with the method I've shown you to be able to generate your own course you're going to upload to this website. And once you are done with the editing and you have your file the way you want it, you're going to click here where it says file, and you're going to download, and you're going to download it as a PDF document. Once you click download, it will download. And now for the next step, you're going to go back to this website, and to sign up, you click here where it says sign up. Then you're going to fill out the necessary information here on the website, your name and the email and everything that is required of you to fill, and then you follow the necessary instruction. And to upload, here where it says start uploading files now, you're going to click here, then you choose the file. Once you have chosen a file, it's going to appear where you're going to put the description of the file you have uploaded. Remember that you have to name your file, because I didn't name it. It's just to show you how it is done. So you're going to put in the description of the file you have uploaded and click here where it says start upload. Now, in order to make money with this strategy, you have to promote your link on your social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, wherever you can get people to click to download for free, because it's a free thing you're offering them. So you can easily get people to download your article or whatever video, whatever you have uploaded to that website, so that you can start making money. And of course, you can check our website like Reddit, where you can find people also to click and download, that you can start making money off of this website. And remember, like I said, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It's something that will need you to put in a little bit of work, and you get the results in the end. If this video was helpful, please take a time out, like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on any part. I really appreciate you. You can check out these videos on my YouTube channel, and you have something to learn from it. And I'll see you in the next one.